Howdy folks, it's Nito with AP 2020 Outdoors. I just want to wish you all a happy 4th of July. Wait a minute, how can it be the 4th of July? That's right. Trying to keep in line with YouTube's new policies on gun content. What I've been doing lately is uploading a video unlisted, self-policing that video, hoping and praying that YouTube monetizes it. And if they do, fine, I publish it a couple days later. If not, well, that's just them breaks. So today's video, we are looking at the CMMG Banshee 5.7 by 28. Full disclosure, I purchased this upper from CMMG. It's got the 5-inch barrel. The bolt carrier group is a patented radial delayed blowback. Pretty awesome design. I actually tested one a couple years ago in a 40 S&W Banshee. Pistol from back to front. I've got a SB tactical brace. I've got a Magpul grip on an Anderson lower. I also purchased the 40-round CMMG modified magazines from Midway this past week. Like I said, I purchased the 5-inch upper from CMMG. I've got a Pulsar thermal on top, Bro Engineering quick disconnect thermal mount. Up front, I got the Energetic Armament Nix Mod 2. It's a 22 can, but it's rated for 22, 17 HMR, 22 Magnum, and 5.7 by 28. Pretty awesome design. So what I'm doing today is testing some loads. I've got 3 factory ammunition. First up, I've got the FN 40 grain chronographed around 1,750 feet per second out of this 5-inch barrel. And then I have their 27 grain FN ammunition chronographed at around 2230. And then Vanguard Outfitters sent me their Black Dragon Fang. It's a pretty awesome design, super pointy. It's a solid copper turned, 34 grain at 2235 feet per second. And last but not least, I've got my homegrown Lehigh Defense 32 grain controlled chaos copper at around 1950 feet per second. I've got those conservatively loaded, primarily because I want to save my brass. So I've got a target set out at 50 yards. We'll start shooting. Okay, let me get the Pulsar thermal going too, recording. We are recording. So I'll shoot the bottom left target, top left target, bottom right target, top right target. First up is the 40 grain FN. Here we go. As you can see, I barely have an aiming spot. That's good enough. I'm using a HVAC reflective tape. Okay, top left, this is the FN 27 grain. But I can barely see those spots with this reticle. Okay, bottom right, I have the, I'm not sure what I got. Oh, bottom right, I have the Lehigh Defense 32 grain controlled chaos copper. Okay, top right, I have the Vanguard Outfitters Black Dragon Fang 34 grain. All right, I'm out. Hey folks, here's the results on the shooting. FN 40 grain, 1,750 feet per second, not too bad. FN 27 grain, 2230 feet per second. Lehigh Defense 32 grain CC, 1950 feet per second. And then the Black Dragon Fang from Vanguard Outfitters, 2235 feet per second. All right folks, I got my quarter scale Coyote target set out 100 yards. We'll run through the same ammo again, see if I can get some hits. Now the FN, I noticed we're shooting a little bit low at 50 yards, so I'm getting a little bit high and to the right. All right, here we go. Now the 27. All right. Now the Lehigh. Not too bad. That's definitely a minute of Coyote, 100 yards. All right, folks, it's Nito with AP 2020 Outdoors. Man, I hope you all had a happy and safe 4th of July. Remember, support that Second Amendment. I tell you what, I think this is the ultimate Coyote pistol on my private rifle range. We'll see you later, and I thank you.